I did just buy some TRD 2020 mufflers and just slap them onto my Camry. And installing the Camry TRD spoiler onto my car. Yo, what's up everybody? It is King Camry. Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm very happy to see you guys, very excited. As you guys seen by that title, yes, we are installing a TRD diffuser onto my Camry Xse. I know there's going to be so many questions, so hopefully I can point out to them and answer them in this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. We have so many videos, man. And thank you guys. We actually hit 600 subs. You guys are smashing it, and I love you guys for it. Probably one of the questions is, how did I get this TRD diffuser? I actually got it from my friend, and I met him through Instagram. And honestly, all it was is just getting involved and getting to know people and creating great relationships and just making friends, you guys. He got into an accident, and I will show you guys how that happened. So yeah, he got into an accident, you guys, and luckily he's good. His car is great. It was just a little bump, but I did buy it from him. And honestly, the condition it's in, yes, it has a little bit of defects, but it's not something you can't fix. So today we are going to be installing it. This honestly was nothing planned, and I don't have to give you guys honestly an explanation, but I do want to point out, no, I'm not getting my parts from a Toyota dealer. All the parts I have been getting for my car, it's honestly just been through creating great relationships with people, and that's just something that's been happening to me. You can't blame me. So I feel like we are going somewhere with this, and by the videos I upload, it seems that you guys are really enjoying them. There's honestly no better fit than OEM. This fits so well with my Camry Xse bumper. I mean, it's OEM, great quality, great craftsmanship, you guys. If the shoe fits, then why not? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And overall, this is just a project that honestly grew on me from you guys, because you guys just get involved so much with my videos. And I guess this is happening. So guys, welcome to a new series called Woo! So there it is, the final product of the TRD diffuser installed on my Camry Xse bumper, you guys. This thing just looks breathtaking. I'm absolutely just loving the look, and I mean, I can't really say much. This thing looks so sick on my Camry. I'm really loving the look. This was probably the funnest thing I've installed on my car, and I have a few things on it. I mean, you guys seen everything I put on my car, but this piece, I'm actually loving it so much. And obviously, because I showed you guys, you know, the intro, you can't really see the little scratches it has from that little, you know, kiss it got from the little accident. But if I do wanted to fix that, I mean, I know the right people and they could do that for me in a blink of an eye. Also, you guys saw me cut out the inside, and that is because my TRD mufflers, they're actually pushed more to the side. I don't know why, but I'm hopefully gonna be fixing that later on. And I honestly have future plans. I'm not done with my exhaust, so I wanted to knock out two birds with one stone, and honestly didn't want to double handle this TRD diffuser. So I was like, you know what, let's just delete the little plastic that was inside there. If you guys saw the video, I went ahead and cut that out, because we are not finished with the exhaust, and I know you guys absolutely love exhaust videos, so there's gonna be more to it in the future. But I absolutely love how that OEM paint from Toyota, I don't really know the name of it, but it is that little bluish flake, you know, those little bluish crystals that are inside the black paint. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this thing comes with the factory paint. And obviously, you know, some people like rocking gloss black, but me, I really do love that paint that Toyota does have, and it matches with the roof. The spoiler is also the same, so when the sun hits it, it's gonna sparkle like a diamond. So if you guys got any questions, you know, I'm here to answer them. I would love to hear your thoughts on this little add-on of this TRD diffuser. You know, I'm all ears. And oh my goodness, I just love the fact that, you know, the whole thing is just in one piece and it looks so much cleaner. But yeah, you guys, that's all I gotta say. I really do appreciate you guys, and let's roll out those clips for y'all. Peace, King Camry. Bye bye.